Do you have wild, unruly hairs that you don't know what to do with? I've got a good product for you, but let me talk first about brows. You guys know my favorite way to fill in my brows is to just go into my main compact and kind of fill them in where maybe I don't have the hair. See, I have wild hair going in crazy directions in some areas, and I'm kind of bald in other areas. So not to worry, filled them in just with a cream contour. Next, what is brow wax? Let me show you what brow wax is. Now, when it first comes, it's going to look empty, but there is actually wax in there. Brow wax is for this situation, okay? Unruly, crazy hair. But it's gonna be really hard. It's that way for a reason, and that's because we want it to kind of like, it almost like sticks the hair in place. So if you don't like your brows to be kind of sticky, maybe skip this one, but you need to activate with some water, or I just use setting spray just because it's sitting right here. And I'm just gonna swirl my spoolie brush into the wax like that. And you'll see it kind of start to get soft. And that's when you know you've got wax on your little spoolie. Now, what I like to do is I like to take and brush it down first and then brush it up. Kind of try and get my brows going in the same direction. Now, you can always smooth them down like that with your spoolie, but this is going to help keep those hairs going in the right direction. This is brow wax, and then just use one of your cream contours for your brows. If you need help choosing colors, let me know.